लिखें जी, रेडी। Authorities are struggling to cope with the Chitral flood situation, as two more villages were inundated in the upper parts of the district. Full stop. On Tuesday, the floods hit two villages, destroying standing crops and at least three houses. Full stop. The recent floods have affected over 300 villages in the largest district of the province so far. Full stop. The people of four tehsils were cut off from the rest of the districts after the floods washed away bridges and roads. Full stop. With the destruction of the alternative road on the ghost side, the whole of upper Chitral from Korag to Brogal has been cut off from the rest of the country. Full stop. With no other option, people were seen traveling over the mountain in the south of Korag, where the gushing water had washed away a portion of the Chitral road. Full stop. The same situation prevails in Garam Chashma Tehsil, where floods have washed away an 8-kilometer portion of the road. Full stop. People complained about the unavailability of wheat flour and other essential items in Buni Bazaar, and the situation was even worse in other parts of this Mastaj subdivision. Full stop. Meanwhile, Corps Commandant Peshawar visited various flood hit areas including the Kalash Valley, Korag and Garam Chashma, and met the affected people. Full stop. Addressing a gathering in Korag, he said the army was trying to provide all possible help to the valley's people. Full stop. I have great attachment with the people of Chitral, as I belong to Gilgit Baltistan. I know the sufferings of the people, he maintained. Full stop. He said the army had diverted resources, including machinery and helicopters, besides providing monetary assistance to the institutions concerned so that relief work could be started. Full stop. Paragraph. He further said two army helicopters would remain in Buni to airlift the stranded people from Upper Chitral. Full stop. Meanwhile, the Pakistan Army continued rescue operation on the 6th consecutive day in Chitral, where Army and Frontier Corps (FC) with the help of civil administration distributed 16 tons of ration, said the Inter-Services Public Relations (ISPR) in a statement. Full stop. The troops also evacuated more than 73 stranded people from these places to safe places. Full stop. The Frontier Corps have donated 100 tons of ration and flood items for the flood victims of Chitral. Full stop. People also complained that shopkeepers had started hoarding, anticipating severe shortage of commodities, as there was no hope of reopening of Chitral Mastaj Road in near future. Full stop. Meanwhile, the Provincial Disaster Management Authority under bracket PDMA and Provincial Reconstruction, Rehabilitation and Settlement Authority Tuesday claimed that the glacial lake outburst floods under bracket GLOF was behind the ongoing devastations in Chitral. Full stop. In a statement, the PDMA said on the night falling between 15th and 16th of July, and again on 19th July, different parts of Chitral district were hit by the GLOF. Full stop. It carried massive torrents and flash floods, washing away villages, access roads, bridges, drinking water supply systems, public/private property and agricultural crops. Full stop. The PDMA said this phenomenon was unusual. Full stop. However, due to climate changes, districts in the north of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa are prone to such incidents of GLOF. Full stop. It claimed these districts were already sensitized by the NDMA and PDMA during various phases of monsoon contingency planning. Full stop. In Chitral, 3 people have so far been reported dead in different incidents of houses collapse, it said, adding the exact number of injuries cannot be ascertained due to inaccessibility of different affected areas. Full stop. The rain spell is on and the district is expected to receive more rains in the days to come, the communication added. Full stop. The PDMA said the main issue being faced was of access to the affected areas due to destruction of road infrastructure. Full stop. जी